Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to watch Netflix in Hearo app. Now Hearo app helps communicate without barrier and help the hearing impaired to communicate better with everyone. Now let's talk about Hearo app on PC, how to watch Netflix in Hearo app on PC. The Hearo app is designed to facilitate shared viewing experiences across various platforms including Netflix. And here's how you can generally use it. For the PC, download and install the Hearo app from the official website, and then, if it's for the mobile, download the Hearo app from a device app store, the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Then create a watch party. How? By opening the Hearo app, create a new watch party and select Netflix as a streaming service. Choose the Netflix content you want to watch. Share the unique watch party link with your friends. Next, you can also join a watch party. Receive and click the shared watch party link. Ensure everyone has Netflix accounts. Here's how it works. Hearo synchronizes video playback across all participants. It includes features like chat to allow real-time communication during the viewing. Some versions may even offer voice chat for a more interactive experience. Please note, Netflix account is required, which means each participant needs their own Netflix account to access the content. Ensure the Hearo app on your device are compatible with the selected Netflix content. Always adhere to Netflix terms of service and any applicable copyright laws. Now, please note that specific features and functionality may vary depending on the Hearo app version, platform, and Netflix terms of service. I hope you found this video helpful on how to watch Netflix on Hearo app on PC. Till next time, bye for now.